Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make $100 on YouTube while being completely anonymous. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how to make $100 a day on YouTube while being completely anonymous. So what you're going to do to actually be able to achieve that is you're going to film some review videos. You're going to find some things that you want to review. It doesn't matter what. Maybe it's, this glass, which you can see, maybe. And, or maybe it's, a phone, it doesn't really matter. Anything that you can find around your house. This was like 2 items that I had without even like getting up from my chair, which you can review as well. You can review your chair, your computer, I don't care, your coffee machine. It can be so many different things. And the great thing about that is you don't have to show your face at all. All you do is you say what's good about it, what's not good, and preferably mostly what's good, but if you own it, the chances are you actually like it. Maybe you're into, some vintage stuff and you want to review old video games or, things like that. Maybe it's your toaster. There's so many different things that you can actually review and, make a video about. So you don't even have to buy anything. All you have to do is review some things. Now, the best thing is if you review things that are in the same niche. So maybe it's, kitchen items, maybe it's tech, maybe it's, some camping gear. There's so many different things that you can, like some different niches that you can review, which will make you a ton of money. Now, what you're going to do is only film your hands and the item. Maybe it's a video game and you just have to like show your screen and that's it. And what's going to happen is you're going to post that on YouTube. And after a while, you will be able to make some revenue with YouTube AdSense. Now, stay with me here, because a lot of you are going to say, yes, but AdSense does not pay you a lot of money. And you're right. However, that is not the only thing that you're going to do. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to find a way to actually monetize that. So, the way that you're going to use it is by doing some affiliate marketing, which I talk about a lot on this channel, but you're going to post a link in the description. You're going to find, maybe it's a glass, maybe it's a computer, as I said, and there's a 99% chance that you can find an affiliate program with that item. So maybe if it's a physical item, there's a good chance that you can find it on Amazon. Amazon is like the biggest way to actually be able to do that. You can, like Apple, if you're reviewing like an iPhone, they have an affiliate program. Airbnb has an affiliate program, so you can like review places where you can stay. And there's like a million different things that you can do to actually make some money. So you're going to post that link in the description, and people that are actually looking for that are trying to get reviews, then like there's a good chance that they actually want to buy something. So if they're looking for like a good coffee machine and you review your coffee machine, which if you have, you probably think it's good, then you're going to talk about all the benefits, and people are just it's just giving people that extra jump, like extra push to actually make that purchase. So at the end of the video, you say there's a link in the description, where you can actually buy that coffee machine, if it's a coffee machine, or no matter what it is, you can actually do that. Or, you know, if you make a travel video, this is where we stayed, it's a great place, here's the link, you know, for Airbnb, which you can find some great places. Or, you know, even if it's a software, there's so many different things that you can review, and that's the way that you're going to scale up. Now, if you want to take it to the next level and you stay in one niche, there is one thing that's going to help you so much, because if your channel gets deleted, which happens, it doesn't happen very often, but it does, you create an email list. And after a while, you will have thousands and thousands of people on your email list if you start right from the beginning. Because I made this mistake when I first started this channel, is I did not create an email list early enough. Like, I was waiting to grow my audience, but it was a bad mistake, because I would have way more people on my email list if I started the first day. So what you're going to do is you're going to use Builderall. So if you have Builderall, like if you don't have Builderall, there's a link in the description which you can have a 7-day free trial to, you know, you have access to everything. And that will enable you to create an email list by having a landing page, by sending email sequences, and all that stuff that I'm not going to go into right now. But this is extremely important, because you're going to give some value to someone. So just give them some value, and, you know, tell them to click in the description to, you know, get you know, an update, or get, you know, I don't care what niche you're in, there's so many different things. Maybe you're going to give an ebook away, helping them out, or something like that. And what's going to happen with that is you're going to send them to some affiliate links, and you can send them over and over and over to some different affiliate links where they will actually, you know, then that's your client. Because if you just have the link in the description, it can work, you can make some sales. But if you have an email list and you send them over and over and over with some good reasons to an affiliate link, then there's a good chance that they will buy. And you're not forcing anybody to buy. Obviously, you want to be good about it. You know, it's very important that you stay true and don't lie to anyone. But if you do that, there's a higher chance that people will buy and, you know, get over the fence of actually starting to do that. So I highly suggest that you create an email list, like right from the start. Invest in yourself. That's a very important thing that you have to do. And by the way, when I say $100 a day, it can be less, but it can be absolutely way more. So you just have to do that over and over and over again. And that will be a way to be completely anonymous on YouTube and actually make some money. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.